Oh. What is up, guys? Welcome to my channel. I am Cait. So today, as you can tell by the title of this video, I am finally here with some Stray Kids. I haven't really been able to do Stray Kids on my channel yet. I've only done one reaction of them. Some of you guys have been asking for them over time. They are personally one of my favorite groups. And yeah, so without further ado, we're gonna get into it and hope you guys enjoy. And play. Oh my gosh, you're getting a whole animation. I love this. Wow. Let's go on. Wow, this is amazing, guys. Chan showing skin, that's dangerous. Ooh! I love this mixture of animation. I really have to go back. I love this mixture of like animation with the graphics. Wow, this is so cool. Very on. I'm sorry, I'm dirty. Ooh, sick first side. Hey, the choreo. Oh, this choreography. Wow, this formation. And they transition. Sing first, Suman, sing. That movie's dangerous. Oh. I already need to go back some more. We're going back some more. You have to re-see this stuff. Okay. Back a bit. Okay. Oh, I love it. Hey. The camera work, the transition. We have to get a Felix part. No, we're going back for Felix and Unjin. One more time. We need to see it one more time. I love it when they drop down. Every time the camera transitions, the choreography hits. Like, I love it. There's this. Hey! Dirty. Let's go, Felix. Look at this choreo. I love it. Whoa. Whoa, that transition! Hey! I'm sorry, I'm dirty. This is fire. No, it's done? What? That's so good. From the very beginning they had like animation and graphics, which is so awesome. Like, I love that. And then they incorporated elements of it in the music video, but also the wardrobe, the choreography, the transitions, the camera work, just the setting, everything about it, and it hits hard. Like, Stray Kids came back, guys, and they came back thunderous. Like, it's so good to see all of them together. But anyway, guys, if you enjoyed this video, please make sure to give it a big thumbs up. Also subscribe if you haven't already, and turn on post notifications so you know when I drop a new video. Also comment down below of any other content that you'd like me to act in, and I'll try my best to get to it. But without further ado, guys, thank you so much for watching. Have the best day further, all the best week, and I'll see you next time for another video. Okay, bye.